Hi, welcome to another video from MS Office Guru. We hope you like the video and subscribe to our channel. Let's get started. Scale to fit function while printing. We had to make sure that all the columns are on a single page. And in the page layout tab, we have scale to fit section. Both the width and the height are set to automatic right now. And the scale is set at 95%. Let us go to the width and set it to 1 page. This will ensure that the scale is reduced down so that all of the columns are fitting on a single page. Make sure that this percentage do not go below 70, or else after you print you may not be able to read it on the paper. When we go to the print settings, you can notice that all the columns are on one single page. Now let us see what happens vertically, that is, how many pages we have here. Looks like we have 3 pages, and on the third page there is very little data. So to make sure that we have all of this in 2 pages, we can select 2 pages in the height. Now the scale has further reduced to 78%, which is still okay as we are above 70%. Now let us go to the File tab and select Print to see the preview. Now as you notice, there are only 2 pages on which all of the data is being printed. This is scale to fit on Excel. To become an Excel expert in a few hours, check out the playlists on our channel. If you have liked the video, click like button below. Thank you for watching the video till the end.